Thank you so much for contracting our services and functions as your building control service provider. The plans you have submitted have been checked, and based upon the information presented to us we have produced this letter. Please read the contents of our letter since there are responses or considerations that you should act upon. Remember, our letters are designed to assist you. So please do contact us if you need general assistance in any matters we have raised. Pay particular attention to whether we have made either general comments which you should consider, or in particular if your drawn designs fail to meet minimum building regulation requirements, in which case you must submit further information to us. Your plans must always contain adequate information, including construction material specifications, method statements, structural information, and fire safety information that allows a building contractor to follow, as well as to assist our surveyors during periodic inspections. If your building involves new foundations, you must submit plans that show any vegetation or trees in close proximity to your new building, as well as your engineer's appropriate safeguarding designs to protect your foundations against future damage. Please note, in some instances that the fire authority will have an interest in your proposals, and we are obliged to consult with them and to obtain their observations, which you may have to act upon also. We have checked your plans against requirements contained within building regulations. The government created those requirements so that buildings are kept healthy, safe, energy efficient, and accessible for all users. Please be aware that fire safety, good drainage, suitable materials, accessibility, and energy efficiency are only some of the key items we will be checking. You must make sure that you comply with legal requirements that are there to protect current and subsequent building users. Our letters to you are designed to assist you and your contractors to achieve a compliant design. The work you carry out must conform to minimum building regulation requirements. You should always seek advice from your own designers and building contractors so best practices are employed during your project build. Having competent supervision of your project is important, so you must use your own project managers to secure an adequate outcome. We undertake periodic site inspections, and if non-compliant work is found on site, you will be required to remove, alter, or otherwise to correct the offending work. Please note that Regulation 7 of the Building Regulations places a responsibility for producing compliant work upon designers, builders, and building owners. Please note we cannot guarantee that all non-compliances have been identified during this plan check. At the completion of your building work, you must make sure that as-built plans have been submitted to us, as well as any test reports, compliance certification that we deem necessary. This message is from Building Control Surveyors Corporate Approved Inspectors.